Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksha. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Live in and as light messages. Our first message today is perspective. None of this matters. Zoom out, common ground. Take a step back and look at the bigger picture of your life. Step away from the blinkered vision and reactive frame of mind of me against them. Change your perspective. Shift your point of view and zoom out. We are but a speck of dust in the universe, yet we think everything revolves around us. We see the planet as ours to own and conquer, pillaging the land and setting ourselves up for our eventual extinction. We build fences and walls and create invisible borders. Mother Earth doesn't need us to survive, but we need her. It's time to wake up. A new perspective is urgently needed. We become so lost in our individual experiences that we don't realize that most of the things that keep us awake at night are actually distractions. We are wasting our precious time and resources fighting each other when we should be coming together to heal what has been severed. This moment is a breath in the timeline of your life. This life is a fleeting moment in the tapestry of your soul's experience. Your soul's experience is a flash in the timeline of the known universe, and the known universe is a grain of sand in the unknown universe. Take a moment to see the bigger picture, to find the common ground, to find deep compassion in your heart, to gain a greater perspective of humanity in this fleeting moment in the timeline of your soul's existence, in the timeline of all that is, was, and ever will be. This is an inquiry card, and the inquiry is: how are you being called to change your perspective? Let's see our second message today. Love created me like itself. You are the work of God, and His work is wholly lovable and wholly loving. This is how a man must think of himself in his heart, because that is what he is. Come from the place of love. Both the messages are talking about unity, consciousness, and love. In this world, when we come from ego perspective, then we think about polarity, the good and the bad and the evil, and we think us versus them, and the news is creating so much panic and fear because that's how the power gets created in the hands of few. So this is an invitation for us to look at the grander picture. Your soul is huge, and your soul has projected this consciousness in this lifetime for some time. This is a momentary life. This is a fleeting lifetime. Many times we make a fuss about some things and we complain about little things, and we get disappointed with a lot of things, and we are angry and frustrated with certain things. And these are things actually in the larger theme of things, they don't matter, and none of this matters. And why do you want to get into us against them and panic and fear and not taking care of Mother Earth? Rather than that, how can we serve the humanity? How can we take care of our planet? And how can we work as a collective to rise in vibration, to raise our vibration, to anchor the light here? So those are some of the things we should be asking ourselves. These are the messages for today. Lots of love.